Welcome 10 out of 10. Two-story entry foyer. Pretty hardwoods throughout main areas. Open floor plan. The builder Legend Homes built speakers in the ceilings that would allow you to have soft music playing while entertaining guests. There are 3 gas fireplaces, one in the great room, one in the screened-in patio, and one outside. The kitchen has top-of-the-line appliances. The double sliding doors extend living space from the great room to the covered screened-in porch. Primary bedroom on main with a high-end bathroom that includes 2 walk-in closets. Also, there is a guest bedroom on the main level. All bedrooms have en suites that provide privacy. It's kind of like having 5 hotel rooms. The back area is level and gorgeous. The preferred lender is Success Mortgage Partners 615-481-9367.